Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you what I'm feeding for Chakra for dinner. And what I have is some leftovers from yesterday, which is some rice and some kabocha squash, and there was some wild rice in there too, and some onion and some broccoli. You can see the broccoli right there. So I've got a little bit of leftovers from yesterday. And additionally, I'm cooking some more, what's that? That's some black rice and amaranth mixture. And then I'm cooking her up a couple of nice organic eggs. And you can feed the eggs to them raw too. I'm feeding her some eggs, and I feed her quite a bit of raw. A little salt on there. And some garlic. I feed her quite a bit of raw food too, and this dog is getting so healthy. You wouldn't even believe how healthy she's getting for a 9-year-old, almost 9-year-old dog. But so cayenne is it's really good to put a stimulating herb in there. Like I like cayenne and horseradish. I'm not too big on ginger for some reason. My gut doesn't do so well on it. And you know, that's really so important to know what foods you do well on and what foods you don't. And to kind of recognize your ancestral tendencies in regards to foods, you know. It's one of the reasons why I'm kind of like apprehensive about moving to a South American, Central American country. Because I know that my ancestors are from, like, Norway, Denmark, those kind of areas. So, in any case, I'm going to leave these sunny side for her. You know, I know my dog is spoiled. Then I've also got this wild salmon. And, you know, it's $10 a pound, but that's better than it was. It was like 12 or 13 a pound. And, you know, it's amazing how when the economy gets worse, more, you know, difficult for people, certain things will come down, like gas. If you keep an eye on the gas prices, then you'll know how well the economy is doing. You know, how much extra money people have to spend, etc. But, and then additionally, we're going to throw some collards in there. Oh, sorry. I steamed you. Is that better? So, yeah, there's the collard greens in there. And we'll throw those in the blender. And the reason that I blend all this stuff up is because, take a look at dogs' teeth. They don't have molars. They're in this place of where they were not too long ago in dog evolution, where they just ate meat all the time. They'd dig up rodents and they'd get a hold of gophers and stuff like that. And that's all they ate, meat. And then they, you know, started befriending humans because they smelled the meat cooking at the campfires and in their villages, and the humans were like, oh, we love these little critters, let's just have them as our pets and feed them all the leftovers. Sorry, I got some food in my teeth. But so, you know, then the dogs started becoming accustomed to eating all kinds of other foods, and I can't just feed her meat. I mean, first of all, I couldn't afford it. Second of all, she'd get too skinny, because dogs really need grains. I've tried that before, giving them just meat. It don't work. They need grains and they need vegetables too, and they even do well on fruits and nuts and seeds. So, you know, dogs are like our perfect companions because they eat the same foods that we do. And let's see, I'm cooking those eggs in some coconut oil. So I'm just gonna add some water and blend it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so Chakra has a cool dog bowl. It's a big bowl, and it keeps the food from slopping, you know, slopping out of there. So sometimes I'll add raw carrots to it, but I didn't this time. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the eggs, throw them in there like that, and man, this dog will hog. Guaranteed. Don't believe me? Watch this. Chakra! It's good. She's like, Dad, more privacy, alright? It's good, huh? Just take your harness off you, honey. She's in the house, so I take her harness off. Oh. Okay. For comfort, yeah. Alright everybody, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're well. Bye-bye.